In the vast savanna, something magical is happening. A zebra and an elephant are playing together. Look at that zebra gallop, teasing the elephant gently. And there goes the elephant, using its trunk as a water gun. The zebra kicks the dust, and the elephant trumpets joyfully. Scientifically, these animals don't usually interact much. Zebras are fast grazers, while elephants are gentle giants. But curiosity and intelligence create unexpected friendships in nature. This isn't just play, it's how animals learn trust. Zebras and elephants have strong memories and emotions. They recognize safe creatures and enjoy having fun. In a world full of survival, moments like these stand out. Nature isn't always wild. Sometimes it's just wonderful. Friendship has no stripes or size, just heart. #zebra, #elephant, #wildlife love, #nature shorts. Would you like more visual ideas or translations?